Hi, I'm Kiran. I am basically from Haveri district, Karnataka. I have completed my graduation of Department of Mechanical Engineering, Jain Institution of Technology, Davangere, with an CGPA of 7.45. Jspider is one of the best institute which was known by my friend, and it is built to our career and many of courses like Java and SQL and web technology and another language is Python. Especially we can learn the and build our career. And JSpider faculties are very good in teaching and training and to guide us to build our career to get a good place in good company. And I thanks for each and every faculties JSpider of Rajajinagar, especially Keshav sir and Uday sir and Bhuvan sir and Sayed sir and everyone of faculty. I thanks to each and everyone of which where I got placed in good company, and thank you.